Imam Musa al-Kadhim, salamullahi alayh, as many of you know, he was imprisoned by Banu al-Abbas. The period of his imamah lasted for 34 years. And half of that period, during half of the period of his imamah, Imam al-Kadhim was in the prisons or the jails of Banu al-Abbas. Now, one day, Imam al-Kadhim sends a letter to Haroon al-Abbasi. What does he tell him? He writes a short yet deep message to Haaroon. And this message, by the way, was narrated by al-Khatib al-Baghdadi in the book Tarikh Baghdad. The narration says that he wrote, alayhi salam, the following message to Haaroon. He told him, as he was in the prison of Haaroon, إِنَّهُ لَا يَنْقَضِي عَنِّي يَوْمٌ مِنَ الْبَلَاءِ إِلَّا انْقَضَى عَنْكَ مَعَهُ يَوْمٌ مِنَ الرَّخَاءِ. What does that mean? He tells Haaroon, listen, every day of hardship that I go through, it passes by, it ends with a day of ease that you go through. Meaning right now, O Haaroon, Musa ibn Ja'far is in your prison. Musa ibn Ja'far is going through difficulty, going through calamities. You, on the other hand, O Haaroon, are living what? A state of luxury, a state of ease. Keep in mind, O Haaroon, that my hardships will not last forever. Sooner or later, the days of hardship of Musa al-Kadhim will come to an end. And your luxury, the days of ease that you're living, will not last forever. Sooner or later, they will also come to an end. Then what happens, Ya Bab al-Hawa'ij? The Imam says, alayhi salam, حَتَّى نَقْضِي جَمِيعًا إِلَى يَوْمٍ لَيْسَ لَهُ انْقِضَاء. Our lives will continue until both of us pass away and we live a day that has no end. What? A day that has no end? He says, yes, a day that has no end. Here he's referring to the hereafter, because the hereafter is endless. It has a beginning, but it has no end. It continues forever, for eternity. So he says, إِلَى يَوْمٍ لَيْسَ لَهُ انْقِضَاء يَخْسَرُ فِيهِ الْمُبْطِلُونَ. On that day, in the hereafter, the people of falsehood will lose. So it's as if he's saying, salawatullah wa salamu alayhi, prepare yourself, O Haaroon. Right now you're enjoying your life. You're oppressing Musa bin Ja'far. But do you think that you can get away with this oppression? You can't. And on the day of judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will show you the reality of your deeds. You will be from the losers. This, my brothers and sisters, is a message that was given to Haaroon, right? Haroon al-Abbasi. He was addressing Haaroon. But in reality, it's a message that applies to any tyrant.